Hello everybody, welcome back to the training of the EcoStruxure Operator Terminal Expert. In this video we're going to see how we can change the boot screen that we have on the HMI. So we can personalize the machine, the HMI, based on our company logo or whatever we want. So let's go to the application. So I'm going to open one application of the EcoStruxure Operator Terminal Expert just to show you how simple it is to modify and make the HMI a little bit fancy. So we just need to open a new application, just go to the full view, new application, and when it is load, we just need to go to the system architecture, okay, where we have our HMI. When we click in here in the right part, we should be able to see the favorites, okay, but what we are looking for is in here, the function and then options. Here we have the option for the boot screen. If we click in here, we have the possibility to add an image. This is going to be, for example, in my case, I'm going to use this one for the stadium of Boca Juniors, La Bombonera. And the image, as you can see, must be PNG. You also have the possibility to add the display progress bar at the bottom. Okay, and I have another application here. Let me just double check this one. Okay, this one is one application with without the boot screen, and I have on the other screen. No, yes, this application. Okay, that has the boot screen application. Okay, and this one is La Bombonera. So let's see the behavior when we download this into the HMI. So here, this is the HMI. You can see that one. Now I'm going to transfer this application. This one is for the password I have already explained the other day. Now it's transferring the application. Okay. Okay, it's going to tell me this. We're going to cover that later. Just continue. Now it has downloaded the application. Now in this one, you should be able to see after the download, when it's putting up, the new image that I added, okay, with the progress bar. So you can see in there La Bombonera. Here in the bottom, you can see the progress bar, okay. This one is not the default image. I have added another one, okay. So in this way, you can make your application a little bit different, a little bit more fancy with your logo, the company logo, or whatever you want, okay. Now let's see the original. So if I close this one and download this one that doesn't have anything over there, oops, here with the screen doesn't have anything, so I'm going to download it, transfer, okay, okay, it will ask you for the configurations, okay, now pay attention to the HMI. Now I'm not using any boot screen, okay, and you can see the default images, okay. You can see there is everything in black and only the progress bar. You can have the possibility to disable the progress bar if you use an image. Now let's just wait for this to finish and then it will go to your application. Okay. And there we go. Simple as that. So we have defined here with just a simple click over here and add the image that you want. You should be able to change how your HMI is going to be look like when you reboot the HMI. So this is it for this part for the boot screen. So thank you very much for watching this video and I see you on the next one.